much online this season that can end up exposing our personal information. But if you have Norton 360 with LifeLock, the holidays look a lot merrier. I'm Norton, on LifeLock. Norton 360 with LifeLock helps protect the info on your devices, your online privacy, and your identity. No one can prevent all cybercrime or identity theft, but Norton 360 with LifeLock helps you tell cyber criminals to dash away, dash away, dash away all. Now you can save 25% or more off your first year. Go to norton.com/news. That's 25% off at norton.com/news. For the latest news, sports, and
After this.
information under one roof, go to kdkaradio.com, presented by NASCO Roofing, 412-373-2000. The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Hi, this is Lisa Scales, President and CEO of
Kdka Dutton. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vid.